everyone, I am Suma here. I am working in BIA International School as a pre-primary teacher. Now, I am going to tell you how to make a greeting card. The materials required is take a kg cardboard, quilling, glue, color pencils. Okay? Now, I am going to tell you how to make a greeting card. See, I am taking a blue color pencil. You can use whichever you want. See, just scribble like this. Scribble like this. I am using this blue pencil, blue color pencil. Scribble like this. Okay. Children will learn to scribble like this. And now take a green color. I am using for downward. You can use any color you want. It is your choice. Okay. Color like this. Scribble like this, children. It will be very easy. Okay. Complete like this. Scribble. Okay. Now the coloring part is come to an end. See, this is ready. Now I will show you how to make a shapes. See, this is a quilling. Now I am using with the help of my fingers. Just make a rotate like this. Even you can use quilling needle for this. Okay? Just keep on rotating like this. Make a little bit tight. While rotating it, make it little bit tight. See, now it is complete. Now, if you press like this, it will become a circle shape. Now I will show you how I have done the circle shape. See, this is a circle shape. And now, even you can just press in the middle, you will get a heart shape like this. Okay? And then, if you make this one little bit free, then it will come this shape. This shape. See, with the help of this quilling, you can do any number of shapes you like to do it. Okay? And also one more I have already done. See, just cut it only this much quilling and just rotate only 2 or 3 rounds. Okay, and then just leave it like this. Then it will come this shape. Okay, now I have done all the shapes for making a greeting. Now I will show you how to make a designs. Even you can do any designs which you like. See, first take a circle shape which you have already done and then stick it with the glue. Stick it with the glue like this already, which you have done like this strings. Just stick it in the middle, size by size. Okay. After sticking this, just take which you have done already, the heart shape, which it will become a butterfly. See, you have to keep like this, then it will become a butterfly, and then use this quilling for antenna. Just you have to stick like this, antenna. One butterfly here and one more butterfly. You can stick it here like this. Here also I am using a small antennas with the help of quilling. Just stick it all the shapes which you have cut it. And then even you can decorate more beautiful using with other shapes and all. You can decorate your greeting card like this. See how my greeting card has become. Is it beautiful? Did you all like it? Did you all like it? Very much, no? Yes. Keep on trying like this. Okay? Bye.